Today we have Ian Cook from Bayer Crop Science here to tell us about their new pre-emergent herbicide, Alion.
Hi, Tim. My pleasure, mate. So Alion's a recently registered pre-emergent herbicide. The active's in imidazoflam, so 400 grams active. Highly effective on both grasses and broadleaf, which is one of its main attributes. Rate range is 50 ml to 150 ml, and it's got activity on an extensive list of both broadleaf and grass weeds. So the crops it's going into initially, and these will likely be extended as we move on in upcoming years. The initial crops are vineyards, almonds, citrus and fence lines. So the obvious ones for this neck of the woods are obviously going to be vineyards and fence lines.
Yep.
So a handy product for growers who are wanting to keep fence lines clear as well.
Yep, so a broad range of weed control, and the application rate, how does that impact on the weeds?
So the rate range is 50 to 150 ml, so there's plenty of flexibility there. So 150 ml per hectare, and that's treated hectare, not total hectare. You can expect up to 300 days residual control.
Yep. And compatibility with knockdown herbicides?
Yeah, well, it's compatible with all the main knockdowns, such as Roundup, glufosinate and spray seed, and compatible with Group G spikes as well. We've tested a few of those and they're quite okay. The key thing to remember is that the Alion needs to go into the tank first.
Yep.
Yeah, don't put the knockdown in first.
Okay,
Growers need to get their head around that. Yep.
And it needs incorporation into the soil?
It does. So ideally, depending on the irrigation setup, but you could incorporate with sprinklers, or if you're relying on rainfall incorporation, well then timing's important as well. But because of the way it works, it does need to get into that soil profile.
How much rainfall would we need to?
Well, initially you would probably 5 to 10 mil.
Yep.
Yeah, depending on soil type.
Yeah, yep.
But generally 5 to 10 mil would be sufficient.
Right. Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Come to Cowaramup Agencies if you need some more information or you want to give it a try. Come and see myself or Mike.